Let's talk about the frame rates I use when shooting motorsports. Modern cameras can shoot anywhere from 24 to 120 frames per second. So which ones do I use and when? 24 frames per second is the sort of cinema industry standard, and it's going to offer you the most sort of realistic motion blur when you're playing a clip back at 100% speed. I use this frame rate when I want to really show the speed of the cars. It's worth noting that there's no sensor crop when you're at 24 frames per second, so you're generally taking full advantage of your sensor's readout. I use 60 and even 120 frames per second when I know that I'm going to want to show slow, detailed shots of those cars. Those shots, of course, can be slowed down to 40 and 20% respectively. The 180-degree shutter rule is going to ensure that these clips have realistic motion blur when they're played back at that slow speed. So a 60 frame per second clip when played back at 40% speed is going to have realistic motion blur, but it's going to have significantly less when you play it back at 100% speed as compared to a 24 frame per second clip. The top clip was shot at 24 frames per second when the bottom clip was shot at 60 frames per second. When I'm playing it back at 100% speed, you can tell that the 60 frame per second clip has significantly less motion blur. For 2023, I was roughly 50-50 on 24 and 60 frames per second. I rarely shot 120. I can get plenty slow at these two frame rates, and it makes sure that I keep my camera in the highest quality setting, so these are the ones that I use. And that's how I use frame rates when shooting motorsports. If you enjoyed this, feel free to click buttons below to make sure that you see more of this in the future.